Well, according to the U.S. courts, in order for a police officer to conduct a search and arrest someone, they need permission from the judge. Unless you guys give them permission to do it. Unless otherwise, they can't do anything about it. And if they do so, it's done unlawfully and unconstitutional. And in order for an officer to get a search warrant, they have to talk to a judge and conduct, like, give them evidence of why they should conduct a search, and they have to swear under oath to do so. And then in a personal blog by Scott Morgan published online, he states how officers are they're legally able to lie to us. Like they do so they could like kind of like get you to do things they want you to do. Like they will tell you, like, I need to do a search. You have to get out of the vehicle. You don't. And that's how a lot of people are tricked to doing these searches. He also shares reasons why you shouldn't let them conduct a search. One reason is because it's just a waste of time. You're not there to please the officer. You just want to go free on your way. Another reason why anything that is found could be held against you, and finally, it could like damage your car. Like a lot of officers try to get into your car to find something, and then end up messing like your whole thing. Alright. From my experience, what I did was I confronted another officer from Cal State LA, and I told him my situation, and he was like, well, it was his choice to give him a citation. A lot of officers give like a warning, but he ended up giving me a citation because he was mad. And I was actually allowed to drive with my friend, and it was that's the wrong citation, so I'm gonna go to court and I'm gonna fight it. But to be like in a safer bet, I'm gonna get my license. And similar to my situation, I'll be talking about a case that happened between Hine and North Carolina. So there's a man that was stopped for the same reason. He had a messed up tail light, a broke light, his left one. And the officer stopped him, approached him, and he let him know that his light wasn't working. And then he conducted a search, and he didn't want to conduct a search. He didn't want to allow to conduct a search, but the officer insisted, and he did so. And when conducting a search, he found 10 pounds of cocaine. And yeah, he was arrested, and this was taken to court. And the verdict is that he was innocent because the search was unlawful, and anything that was found wasn't supposed to happen in the first place. So he was free to go. And the way I accessed this article, it was published and updated by psycho.org. Alright. Alright, my conclusion is, with this knowledge, I hope that you guys are able to confront an officer knowing your rights, and you shouldn't be intimidated by authority because they're here to serve us. And if they can't do it, then it's our job to do it. And that's my presentation.